What's up, YouTube? Funnel Doc here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can set up a new domain in ClickFunnels 2.0 in seconds. I mean, this is so quick, it'll be done before this intro is practically over. See you inside the video. All right, everybody. So inside ClickFunnels 2.0, you're going to want to click here into your domain settings. This is going to be underneath your funnel and site tab. So once you're in domains, you're going to come over here to the far right. You can either buy a domain from ClickFunnels, or if you're like me, I have mine in GoDaddy. All you do is you click right here, connect existing domain. Then you're going to type in the name of the domain. This one is cfdoneforyou.com. And you'll see right here, it even shows registered with GoDaddy LLC, and it shows the date. I got that today, by the way. Then you go add domain. And now, this is crazy how easy this is. Watch this. Start domain setup. This button right here, you click this bad boy. Then you're going to go right here. You're going to hit continue. Takes a couple seconds. Authorized by GoDaddy. That's right. You click it, you go, I'm logged in my GoDaddy account already. It's going to ask for permission. I hit connect, success, goes back to ClickFunnels, and you are done. It's that fast, people. I mean, it's that fast. The last one I set up after this, you'll see it's not set up. That's because they're setting up behind the scenes. The last one I set up, this cf2dfy.com, literally 5 minutes later, it was up and running and good to go. That's how fast you connect funnels in ClickFunnels, or domains in ClickFunnels 2.0, everyone. It's amazing, and I can't wait to show you more videos. Now, if you're someone that's setting up ClickFunnels 2.0 and you're having trouble transferring everything over and you just feel massively overwhelmed, don't worry. There's a link down below where my team will help you out and will actually transfer all your stuff. That's why it's ClickFunnels 2.0 done for you. That's right. If you need help, reach out to me and I'll transfer everything over. Your emails, your funnels, we'll even make your workflows for you. We'll do everything. We'll literally rebuild out your entire funnel ecosystem in ClickFunnels 2.0 for you. So if you need help with that, links down below. And if not, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.